What's up? It's good to see you. Temu, the company you know about, they reached out to me and they gave me a free compressor pedal, which I'm pretty stoked about. And the reason why is because I only have a Dynacomp right now, and that introduces a bit of grit into your sound. And frankly, I'm kind of sick of it. I want to try something a little new. If you end up liking the way this thing sounds, you can grab it from wherever this coupon code is. You can go to the website, use the coupon code, and they have free shipping and all that. But ultimately, I decided to get the Dolamo one. And the reason why is because if you saw my other video with the fuzz pedal, the Dolamo one's actually sounded pretty good so far. So I figured I would give it a shot and see how it kind of compares. And I'm gonna try it with other effects. I'm gonna compare it to the Dynacomp as well. And yeah, we're gonna see what's up with it. One thing that's kind of funny to me is how it says rock on the box like this. It's like, yeah, rock, yeah. You know, it's kind of corny. Like, I don't really even think of a compressor pedal as like a rock pedal, you know, but whatever. Anyway, I'm setting up my pedals right now. The Walrus Audio Julia, the Hall of Fame reverb, and everything is also daisy chained with a standard Boss DC 9-volt cable. And I don't really get any noise when I do that, but ultimately I figured it makes the most sense to pair the compressor with other pedals to see how it sounds. I think it's worth mentioning too that I'm running it through an orange 35 RT, and it's mic'd with the Shure SM57. And I put the compressor at the beginning of the chain. I feel like that's typically the best place to put it. But I just realized that I forgot to mention just the basic controls on this thing, which is a level and then a compression. I'm gonna assume that this adjusts the ratio, kind of like with the Dynacomp. And then you have your DC input on the side, super annoying. I don't know why they put DC inputs on the side. Maybe they're trying to be like the Dynacomp, I don't know, but I think they should always go on top, but you know, whatever, that's just me. But everything is a steel encasing, just like with the fuzz pedal. And the knobs there's nothing low quality about them at all. Same with the jacks.
Here's what I found.
I just remembered that, you know, I'm supposed to have some kind of like preachy speech about how Temu's bad or whatever, like every other YouTuber, yet ironically take their free products. But I figured I would spare you guys that. So we're just gonna continue with the demo of this pedal. Yeah, right now it's just the pedal, nothing but it, the Dolamo. So if we turn that off like so, let's get the compression like way up. Then we're gonna turn the level down so it's more like equal. Let's get the level up a bit. It's a clean compression sound. Definitely works. What I like about it is that there's no grit. You know, there's no like Dynacomp grit to it. It's like a clean sound. Let's see how it sounds with effects. I don't know, man. Sounds pretty good to me. Mixes well with the effects too. Sounds great to me. Yeah, Daddy likes. By the way, if you're looking for something to practice, get my triad document. It's all the triads all mapped all over the neck and in tabs. I actually just got finished getting my graphic designer to fix it up and make it look a bit better. But yeah, it's what I've been practicing for the last 6 months. You can get it from travelingguitarist.com/fretboard cheat sheet. And then you can get on my list there. I send all kinds of cool stuff. And I'd like to start like a community of some kind. But honestly, man, Dolamo so far, that's a 2 out of 2 in terms of like quality pedal. I mean, frankly, I'm gonna use this instead of the Dynacomp for a little while because, as I was saying before, the Dynacomp has that grit, and like, frankly, I don't always want that grit, you know? This, and you know what? Someone on my other video, they said that the Dynacomp was kind of noisy. And after playing around with it for a long time, I would actually agree. It is a little noisy. It definitely kind of will introduce some noise into your signal if you got a ton of pedals. That could be my signal chain, however. That could be the issue with that. But yeah, man. So let's actually put the Dynacomp in there, and we'll compare and contrast between the Dolamo and the Dynacomp. You can already hear that hissing a bit. You also got to turn the volume down a bit, though. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, I love the Dynacomp, but I'm gonna use the Dolamo compressor for a little while, and yeah, that's all I have to say, really. Anyway, it's a nice day, man. I gotta go outside. It's like 2 o'clock here, and the weather's nice, so I'll see you in the next one.